IHG website outage. IHG is an acronym which stands for Intercontinental Hotel Groups and Resorts. And this outage has been ongoing since Sunday. I want to see you try to reserve a room on their website. Their official website is ihg.com. Uniform resource locator is at the top of the screen. If you browse to ihg.com, it takes you to this full URL /hotel/US blah 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 reservations. Now you'll notice that if you type in a city, that nothing happens. New York. I've never visited New York City. From what I understand, it's really not that nice. So I don't I don't know for a fact, but yeah, well, I've asked a few people, and they never really had many good things to say about New York City. Okay, so you choose a check-in and check-out date, and then these are default. Normally, it should work. Click on search, and guess what? It's thinking. It's thinking. Nothing. Wow. What? No vacancies in New York City? No way. It doesn't matter what city you try. I don't know. You might be able to choose a state. And so now you'll get this pop up. I think my encoder will capture this. Page unresponsive. You can wait for it to become responsive or exit the page. Select a hotel. Well, what hotel? I'm going to click on wait. It just does not work. Now, let's cut to the chase. Their entire website looks like it's completely down. Outage. Does not work. You can call 1-877-424-2449, 1-877-424-2449. So you can call Intercontinental Hotel Groups and Resorts, which is shortened version is IHG, at 1-877-424-2449, and try that. You're going to have to make a reservation over the telephone. And then I will show you another way you can contact them. At the top, lists a telephone number that I just gave you. You can click on Need Help. They have like a little chat feature. Need help? Ask our virtual assistant. You can also click on Virtual Assistant where my mouse is at. Or at the bottom right-hand corner, you see the chat icon. It's orange. Click on that. One of those three links will take you to this. Start a conversation. Send a message. Please tell us. So it's just a virtual contact form. I'm not sure if you actually chat to an online customer support person, customer service. Before, in overtime, I think I'll just jank around and fool around and see how it works. Let me scroll down and I'll show you what properties this company. It's a huge company. To me, the hotel industry, if you study, what is it, I think it's the Blackstone Group. Let me get it right. I think so. I could be wrong. There's a huge corporation that actually controls most hotels in America and maybe the entire world, and I'm not making that up. But Six Senses, Regent, Intercontinental Hotels and Resorts, what is it, Visionette Collections, Kimpton Hotels and Restaurants, Hotel Indigo, Voco, Hualux, Even Hotels, Crown Plaza, Holiday Inn Express and Holiday Inn. Those are common names, those two right there. Avid, Atwell Suites, Staybridge Suites. Some of these are extended hotels. I'm pretty sure Staybridge is extended. Holiday Inn, Club Vacations, and Candlewood Suites. I think I could be wrong, but I think Candlewood Suites is also extended stay. So these are all the properties that the Intercontinental Hotel Groups and Resorts own. Book online. Well, I don't think so. Not today and not since Sunday. Now, here's an additional tip. I do not know if it will work or not. Chances are, I don't know. I just do not know. I tried to find maybe an announcement. I went and visited their blog. They made no announcement, did not write a blog post. It could be somewhere hidden or somewhere on their website. I didn't even check. I could not find any kind of a response from this company. Is it a database problem? Is it just their hypertext transfer protocol? It could be a database problem because the website seems to function like normal. You know what I'm saying? It's just that whenever you try to perform a search, nothing shows up. And then you may or may not receive that unresponsive error. Now they have an Apple iPhone operating system application for iPhone and iPad that you could download. You could also download the Google Android application. You could try one of their dumb devices, excuse me, political correctness, dumb device application, also known as a smartphone application. Maybe it'll work, maybe it will not. I just do not know. I do not use dumb devices, you know what I'm saying? What else? So that is my tip, and then I gave you a telephone number, and I also gave you a third way, well, what I would consider a third tip is use their chat feature, or I don't even know if it's a chat feature. Let's test it out. I'm going to click on this and then send a message. Oh, it may be a real chat feature. Okay, they've got some default problems you could ask. How about website down? How about website outage? I think it may be a real virtual agent, a real human behind the abstract. I cannot use your website to make a reservation. Enter. Let's see what happens. Digital concierge. It's a chat bot. Where will you be traveling? You can search by city, state, hotel brand, and even address. Well, I don't think this looks like it's a bot because they just told me. It's a chat bot. It's not a real human. Okay, let's see what else. I receive a unresponsive error when searching. There's the 8-minute mark. Okay, a couple more chats, and then this video is over with. Let's see if anything. Where will you be traveling? Blah blah blah. Okay, well, this is just a chat bot, and so I'm just basically chatting to myself, which is not that out of the ordinary. I'm very antisocial. If it was not for the internet, if it was not for me being self-employed and me being able, and this is kind of ironic, this is how I make a living. I literally am a real-world computer technician, and I help people solve their information technology problems over the internet in the abstract. Thankfully, I do not have to talk to these humanoids over the telephone, in person, or over video. Very ironic. Intercontinental Hotel Groups, which is also known as IHG, Resorts Website Outage. I have no idea when it will function. Call that 800 number. And I also do not know if their entire reservation system is failing or what, but you can, Adios.